At Nordic Anglers, we pride ourselves in actually field testing a lot of the stuff ourselves to be able to know exactly what we're talking about. And that's why for the past couple of trips I've had this out for a field test, and this is what this video is about. This is the SIMMS Tributary Waders set. So in this kit, you can of course buy the individual waders and the individual tributary shoes, but if you buy them together as a bundle, you save some money. So in this video I'm going to talk about this. When you look at the tributary waders, they are SIMMS's the product line from SIMMS in their lowest price range. This of course means that they do not have as many features, and there is a lot of things regarding materials if you compare these to the absolute high end of the SIMMS product line. I don't think it's completely fair to judge this up against the G4, for instance, when it comes to durability, because the price of the G4 is more than 3 times as much as this is. But what I can say is, now that I've had this out fishing, is it feels quite sturdy, it feels quite solid, and I think in its price range the tributary set is probably your best bet for your money. The construction here is made with a 4-layer lower part of the waders. That makes a stronger part of the waders exactly where you need it, in the part of the waders where you have the most wear and tear. There's also a gravel guard on the attached to the waders here, so you can attach them to the shoes. And from the thigh up, it's a 3-layer construction. Another thing that sets this out from some of the other SIMMS waders is the membrane in here is not Gore-Tex. Gore-Tex is the most expensive and the best membrane that is available out there when it comes to both to durability, to waterproof and waterproofing, but also to breathability. So the Gore-Tex is more breathable than this is, but still. At a very fair price, you get a very decent set of waders here, but also in these waders, a lot of the really neat details has been basically cut off. What you get is a pair of pockets that is fleece-lined, so you can warm your hands, and then you have one zip pocket here in the front for your boxes and whatnot, and then you have the option to add a second pocket here, but it's not included. It is included with a wading belt. I just don't have this on because I use these with my stripping basket, and that's it for the waders. Regarding the boots, then they feel quite sturdy. They feel really thought through, and also they're quite wide here in the tip. So you will be able to fish these in even really cold water, because there's room for a big sock. Also, I like the detail here with the full front of the boots here are made from very sturdy rubber, which is ideal for when you're kicking around all these rocks on the Danish coastline or fishing. Then the boot here will be fairly well protected. So overall, I think in the price range, the tributary set is probably the best bet for your money. I have not seen anything that can compare to this in the price range. I think that these waders, of course, are very well suited for anglers who are not out fishing 4 or 5 times a week, but maybe, you know, once a week or once every 14 days or so. This would be a very fair, a very good bet for your money's worth. The SIMMS Tributary has it all, basically, in that it is a breathable waders that is fairly affordable.